Let those that are in fortune with their stars of public honors and proud titles boast, whilst I, whom fortune of such triumph bars, unlooked for joy in that I honor most. Great princes' favorites their fair leaves spread, but as the marigold the sun's eye, and in themselves their pride lies buried, for at a frown they in their glory die. The painful warrior famoused for fight, after 1,000 victories, once foiled, is from the book of honor razed quite, and all the rest forgot for which he toiled. Then happy I, who love and am beloved, where I may not remove nor be removed.